I'm making 2-ingredient fudge. I have my microwave safe bowl, my chocolate chips, and my sweetened condensed milk. All right, we're gonna microwave this in 30-second increments until it's melted. Okay, you want to stir in between each time so your chips or your milk doesn't burn. Then if it's not getting melted just from the heat on your bowl, which mine's pretty warm, then you could stick it back in your microwave for another 20 or 30 seconds until it's melted. Mine's pretty warm, so I think it might all get melted here. This recipe is based off of my 2-ingredient fudge recipe in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2 on page 315. Oh my goodness, yum. All right, now I've got my pan with a half a piece of parchment paper, and we're going to pour the fudge in. Like so. Just get it all nice and smooth, evened out. All right, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it set up for just a couple of hours. All right, I got my fudge here. Now, I didn't put parchment both ways, so if you don't, you may have to loosen one edge, which I've already done. Just lift it out. Now, this is a 9x9 pan, so my fudge is slightly thinner. You can make a double batch if you want the thicker fudge. But you don't have to if you don't want to. You can just figure out what size fudge you like. Oh, yum. All right, there we go. Perfect chocolate fudge, just 2 ingredients.